Important sociologists of the Western countries are being discussed here. One of them is Karl Marx. First of all, we will know about the sociologist Karl Marx. Karl Marx was born on 5th May 1818 in Trier, part of the Rhineland province of Prussia in Germany. He was the son of a professional liberal lawyer. From 1834 to 1836, he studied law at the University of Bonn and then at the University of Berlin, where he was much influenced by the young Hegelians. In 1841, he completed his doctoral thesis in philosophy from the University of Jena. In 1843, he married Jenny von Westphalen and moved to Paris. In 1844, he met Friedrich Engels in Paris, who became a lifelong friend. In 1847, he was invited by the International Working Men's Association to prepare a document spelling out its aims and objectives. This was written jointly by Marx and Engels and published as the Manifesto of the Communist Party in 1948. In 1949, he was exiled to England and lived there till his death. In 1852, he wrote the 18th Brumaire of Louis Bonaparte, which was published. In 1859, he wrote a contribution to the Critique of Political Economy, which was also published. In 1867, his famous book Capital, first volume, was published. In 1881, his wife Jenny von Westphalen died. In 1883, he died and was buried in London's Highgate Cemetery. Karl Marx had studied philosophy, but he was not a philosopher. He was a social thinker who advocated an end to oppression and exploitation of the weaker sections of the society, especially the labor class. He believed that scientific socialism would achieve this goal, and the scientific socialism will help in removing the oppression and exploitation of the weaker sections of the society. He believed this. He argued that human society had progressed through different stages. These were primitive, communism, slavery, feudalism, and capitalism. The capitalist society was marked by an ever intensifying process of alienation, operating at several levels. That is, now first let us know what is alienation. Alienation is a condition in which men are dominated by forces of their own creations, all those things which the man has created himself. Because of those things he is dominated by certain forces which and these forces have been created by the man himself. So he is under the domination of all those things that he himself has created, of their own creations, which confront them as other powers. It is the process of capitalist society by which human beings are separated from nature, and this process is generally found in capitalist societies, and here in these societies the human beings are separated from the nature, other humans, their own selves and their work. According to Marx, it is a condition of self and estrangement, bilkul algav. Now, number one. So, the three levels. The first one, modern capitalist society is one where humans are more alienated from nature than ever before. Whatever is there in the nature, the human beings are not following that, and they have been alienated from the nature in capitalist society. Second, human beings are alienated from each other as capitalism individualizes previously collective forms of social organization, and relationships get more and more market oriented. In the second level, the human beings are separated from each other because capitalism individualizes each and everything. Every human being starts thinking about himself, his own interest, and forgoes the interest of the community or the interest of the other human being. And the old system of collective forms of social organizations and relationships have totally disappeared. And then the third condition is a large mass of working people is alienated from the fruits of its labor because workers do not own the products they produce. Here the worker is alienated, is separated from the thing that he is producing. Whatever the workers are producing, whatever the labor is producing in the factory, in the fields, they are not given that produce which they have done by applying their own efforts, their own labor. They will not get it. That thing will be taken away from them by the other persons. So this is also a type of alienation.